rundy na ten pojedynek. Powiem ci, że też bym popatrzył dłużej niż 3 rundy na ten pojedynek.
Język.
Give your opponent to the core, Daniel.
Was a good one.
My fucking hat.
Damn, actually.
Primito de la Alexandru. Wow.
Probabil la China.
Ia să vedem. Duce
Acea centură ca să-i mai motiveze pe Are?
Wow.
Oh, and that's going to be all she wrote.
La urmă
Este
își poate
foarte-
crea mari probleme.
Vai!
Wow.
Right here. Oh my gosh, and D Flan right on the... Oh! And it looks like the Aloha Samurai goes down hard in round 2.
Zâmbește înainte de oprire.
Cred! Wow, cred!
Să se mai numere. Wow. Incredibil.
Oh! White Simba goes down in round 2. Oh! Shamokin Thunderclap takes a seat! Holy smokes! Oh! A big shot from Black Jesus, and the Mexicutioner is down. Here. And we're going to see what he has to offer here in round 1. Oh, a big shot from Shamokin Thunderclap. And a huge shot. Homewrecker goes down. Oh, my. Here's the windup. 2, 3, oh, White Simba drops Young James again. 2, 3, oh, the cannon drops Shamokin Thunderclap. Oh, my gosh. Shamokin Thunderclap goes down hard. Here he comes up top. Oh, a big shot by White Simba. Oh, it looks like the Butcher goes down again. Oh, Leadbelt Chapman goes down. Oh, Oh, Lead Belt Chapman goes down. Johnny Juice has dropped Lead Belt Chapman in round 4. Oh, it looks like the Butcher goes down again. Oh, Frank the Tank goes down. It's not allowed. Young James is using Wolverine's technique. Oh, and Young James with a knockdown in round 1.
Oi, oi, oi.
Dacă stau să mă uit în...
152
Au.
de kilograme, mamă.
Da, hai să vedem ce se va
Sperăm să
întâmpla.
nu-l dezechilibrez.
Eu cred că ea. E, da.
Oh, the cannon drops Shamokin Thunderclap. Oh my gosh. Shamokin Thunderclap goes down hard.
Okay, here we go. Oh, Kostre stumbles again. Can you smell the upset?
Wind up. Here we go. Big power here. Oh, and the concrete finisher is on his ass.